Hey everyone, and welcome back to your channel HD Interiors. The year 2023's flooring trends, according to the top flooring company in Arizona, are mainly about clean lines and uncomplicated choices. You have an enormous selection of interior flooring trends, including tiles, cement tiles, and many more options. To select the floor covering that would work best in a given room of your house, you can compare the qualities of each one in accordance to your criteria. The space is the first consideration when choosing high-quality, in-demand flooring in 2023. The material you choose for your flooring is essential if the space is susceptible to moisture. It will be effortless to select the ideal selection from Flooring Trends 2023 when all the area's aspects are considered. The first trend is wooden flooring trend. Hardwood flooring insulates heat and noise. In a room with wood flooring, going barefoot is incredibly comfortable. Wood provides space to experiment with various brushes to produce intriguing color shades. This is yet another factor that makes wood floors so alluring to interior designers in 2023. Ceramic tiles flooring trends. Decorative ceramic tiles are not only durable and practical materials, they can transform any room beyond recognition. Shine and saturation of colors, ornaments and patterns, durability of service life, water-repellent surface. Any glazed tile that is recommended to be installed can boast of this on the walls of the kitchen, bathroom, hallway, and other rooms. As a floor covering, tiles with a relief surface are usually chosen, which will not allow anyone to slip and fall. If your choice is fashionable ceramic tiles 2023, then you should focus on modern ideas and trends, the design novelties of which were used in the previous year. There are no cardinal changes in the fashion for tiles, however, some nuances and trends should be considered in more detail. By means of a perfectly matched color scheme, tiles solve a variety of design tasks, and this turns out to be advantageous. For example, on dark tiles of saturated shades, you can see the reflection of decor, furniture, and objects. This not only looks advantageous, especially in the bathroom, but also visually increases the size of the room. Large geometric patterns on wall tiles can create a light, modern vibe in a kitchen. If you are planning to buy fashionable ceramic tiles in 2023, taking into account modern ideas and trends, new designs, first of all, think about how to correctly use all parts of the available space. Here are the top important tips that must be considered. You should completely abandon the artsy and large furniture and plumbing and extra accessories. Modern interiors are natural, and ergonomic harmony is achieved through exquisite simplicity, noble restraint, the choice of high-quality materials, and the correct use of color schemes. This trend can be seen in most design options. The fashion trend for comprehensive naturalness. First of all, touched all finishing materials, in particular, beautiful ceramic tiles 2023 of an unusual design appeared. Feel free to choose options with an imitation of the texture of wood, any natural stone or marble, even concrete, and what is completely new, metal. Today, ceramic tiles quite realistically imitate the above, which contributes to its popularity. Sometimes, the rougher the texture, the better it looks in the interior. Particularly relevant is the imitation of the texture of natural wood, especially one that can only be distinguished by touch from its counterpart. Extravagant and flashy-looking tiles are much less common in the interior of the kitchen and bathroom in 2023. Today, discreet and neutral colors, in grayish and especially black matte tones, are fashionable. To give the room a more lively look, it is quite possible to choose, for example, textured tiles. Laminate flooring trend. Typically 2023 laminate flooring replicates parquet and wood. This is a reasonable substitute if you want a product that will mimic the latter materials. Waterproof polyvinyl chloride prevents the finished product from swelling when it comes into touch with water. Consequently, wiping the surface with a moist towel is simple too. Vinyl flooring trends. Waterproof vinyl planks are getting more and more popular. Even more than laminate floor tiles, they are used. You may create stunning flooring styles on hardwood textures with vinyl planks. Although not as inexpensive as laminate floor tiles, vinyl planks are reliable and cost-effective. Constructing and remodeling spaces from the ground up has always been a challenging experience for everyone. You can become perplexed by having too many options for furniture, fabrics, colors, and textures. In the end, please tell us what you think about this video in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends to inspire them, and subscribe us if you haven't already to watch new interesting videos. See you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.